I think we won. That's how it's done.
Can't believe this fool just did a donut in the middle of town.
In the middle of a small town. Your car's fast.
Yeah, bro. It's supercharged. Yeah, watch out for the rocks. They clean up. I got hit in the face a couple of times already.
In your face, right there.
Okay, well, I just had to reformat the whole memory card because it was f***ed up. So I lost all my footage. However, we have just gone over Angel's and Crest. Crazy ass run, really fun. I'll try to get some footage from one of the other guys, but yeah, now we gotta finish this run into Palm Springs. Holy fuck! It sounds so sexy. Yeah. That beats well.
Yeah, look at my face. I'm like, this is my happy, super happy face.
Look at these bro. What does this look like?
It looks like a male threesome.
What the is this?
Right,
Our
so
poor editor has
Scared
to
away all
leave
the
all
old
that out.
ladies,
you gotta
man.
understand the story behind this belt now.
Man, I've heard the story 5 times while you were gone getting that belt.
No, this
Was
is
it better the 5th time?
So the
Hey,
same belt that
and
you
look-
probably use for your supercharger is from a lawnmower.
Really?
Is it really?
Apparently.
Look
There
at
comes
these sketch balls
sketch balls.
with these. Look at their jack.
Oh wow.
Mark's life is in danger.
It is. It's on a rock. Hey Mark, Your life's on a bit of a rocky relationship.
We are on our way back. Palm Desert is hot as f. As soon as you step outside, your balls are sweating. I wouldn't care if I never came back to this place. The rally was dope. They did a good job with that for sure. I met a lot of cool people. We had a lot of fun. Definitely coming back, even though it's the Palm Desert. As soon as you step outside, it's just instant sweat everywhere. This mother,
Hungover, dying, but
he's ready to die.
But
I'm not gonna lie, my hangover's starting to kick in a little bit, but we're on our way home. 2-hour drive. Wish us luck. Stopping to get some gas and put oil in my fucking motor. Look at this. Oil all over my shit. Even inside the glass right here. My whole back window. See how it's like, that's oil. One day my car will be running correctly. Hopefully very soon. Look at that. Oil. Spitting out oil from somewhere in here.